Oh, I'm too close. I'm too close. That's too far. That's too far. Okay. Hi guys, my name is Natalie, aka SMGLAMBEAUTY, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're not new, then welcome back. Thanks for being here. I know it's been a while, but for today's video, I'll be unboxing and unbagging my Boxycharm and my IPSY bag. So I decided to do like a one versus another because I don't know, I just wanted to do something different. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna unbox things, and then I'll be using whatever items that I got on my face. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. I know I look a little rough, but it's okay, all right? My skin is acting up. Once again, what's new? But we're just gonna move right along and do the Boxycharm unboxing first. So this month's theme is Fresh Start. And I'm sorry if you guys hear my birds. Every time I press record, they decide to chirp. So if you guys hear them, sorry about that. But yeah, let's go ahead and let's unbox this box. So the first thing in the box I see is this big thing. And this is the Farmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleansing Toner with moringa and papaya. Let's see what the claims are, right? So let's see. All right, so this is an alcohol-free 2% BHA toner that gently exfoliates, deep cleans pores, and controls oil without overstripping skin. Ideal for combination oily or acne-prone skin. Wow, I need this in my life because I have actually have combination acne prone skin. All right, so this is perfect for me. So the next thing, oh wait, this retails for $28. Can't really smell yet. If you guys don't know, I had COVID and I lost my sense of smell and taste, and it's been coming back slowly, but I'm still not at 100%. So I can't really smell. I can't really smell a lot. Like, I could smell stuff, but not at, you know, my full potential. But to be honest, I originally did not have a good sense of smell anyways, so I'm struggling. I'm struggling. I've been struggling. But anyways, let's move right along to see this. This is the Dr. Brandt Do Not Age Triple Peptide Eye Cream. And this retails for $82. That's a lot. All right, so let's see the claims. It says, this deeply hydrating peptide powered cream helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness, for refreshed, younger looking eyes, and it's for all skin types. I hope this works because I need that. Oh my gosh, look at my bags, guys. Crazy, crazy. So moving on to the next thing in the box, which is this. And this is the Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. It sounds like it smells good. Let's see if I can smell this. Let's put some on, actually. Okay, I can smell this. And I need this, okay? Let's see the claims. All right, so essential oils of sweet orange and coconut give this lip balm its citrusy tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. All right, my lips are kind of dry, so I need this. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is the natural emollient that moisturizes for soft skin. To get soft skin. Soft, supple lips. And this retails for $33. All right, so the next thing in the box is this. And this, let me open. This is the Laura Geller High Def Glow Illuminator Duo, and it's in the shade Heart of Gold. This is how it looks. Let me swatch these. Okay, so in the back it says one is a shimmer and one is a sparkle. Focus. Okay, so the top one is the sparkle and the bottom one is the shimmer. I'm gonna be honest, they don't really look that pigmented. I'm not too excited about it, but you know, swatches are tricky because, you know, sometimes when you actually apply it with a brush, it looks way better than when you swatched it. So we'll test that out. This retails for $33. Okay, so the last thing in the box is this, and this is the Ciaté London The Velvet Palette, and this retails for, let's see, $30. Alrighty, and I'm just gonna open this. Ooh, I really like the packaging of this, honestly. I really do. This is cute. Ooh, all right, so this is how this palette looks. Let me put it a little closer so you guys can see. This is so cute. So the value of this month's Boxycharm is $206. Can you guys see? 206. So yeah, let's move on to the IPSY bag. This month's IPSY bag looks like this, and guys, this is so cute. Like, I cannot get over these bags, you know? I just cannot get over these bags. I freaking love them. All right, so the first thing in this month's IPSY bag is this. This is the Complex Culture Power Pose Lip Gloss. This is just a plain lip oil. Like, it's literally just clear. Damn, the little stopper is really stopping. Anyways, oh, let's see how much that cost, because unlike Boxycharm, IPSY does not have an insert card that tells you the prices of each item. So I'm gonna go on the IPSY website and look for it so that way I can tell you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna read what, you know, the claims and stuff, and it says, give your lips the VIP treatment with this ultra shiny, good for you gloss. It's made with a blend of ultra nourishing pistachio butter, shea butter, and passion fruit seed oil to deeply moisturize lips and nix flaking and chapping. Sounds like something I need. So I'll be using that more often, and it retails for $18. All right, so the next thing in the bag is this. And this is the Tarte Sugar Rush Lip Sip Vegan Lip Oil. Another lip oil. Okay, so maybe they're watching me. Maybe it's the universe telling me that I have some chappy ass lips and I need to fix that, because I'm getting a lot of lip oils and stuff like that. Which I'm okay with, honestly. But dang. This is so cute. Okay, and I actually have the dragon fruit flavor. I mean, not flavor, shade. Okay, I smell this a little bit. It's not as strong as this one, but I smell it more compared to this one. And I'm gonna put it on. Okay, so the claims for this lip gloss or lip oil is thirsty lip season, aka winter, is upon us. Don't worry though, this lip oil will help you get hydrated as the temperature drops. Like a glass of water for your lips, it locks in moisture with jojoba oil, hazel, and sunflower seed oils. And this retails for $15, which, you see, I would get this for $15. You know, this is not that bad. So the next thing in this month's bag is this, and this is the Item Beauty Air Hug Concealer, smoothing medium to full coverage concealer, and I have the shade 5 Light Warm. Now, I hope this is my color, because if not, I'm gonna be really sad. I think this is my, like, color, but, like, it's not, like, a concealer kind of color. This claims to hide redness, breakouts, and dark circles. This multitasking and totally lightweight medium to full coverage concealer hides it all without ever creasing, caking, or fading. Those are some strong claims, so we're gonna test it out. All right, and this retails for $18. Moving on to the next thing in the box, which is this, another Item Beauty. All right, did I choose this? I'm not sure which ones I chose, so you know, I'll leave them down in the description box which ones I chose, because again, for IPSY you get to choose 3 out of the 5 items that is going to be in your bag. So yeah, and I really have bad memory, so I don't know which ones I chose. But this is the Item Beauty Cheek Money Swipe and Glow Bronzer Contour Duo, and I have the shade, what shade is this? Cheek Money Mood Vibes. This is how it looks, and I'm gonna open it. This looks a little like a little like gray, right? Or is it just me? It just looks a little on the grayish side. I don't know. We're gonna test it out. Oh, this is so cute. I like the mirror. It says, you can see me, huh? It says, I love you, say it back. I love you, say it back. Cute, cute. All right, let's see the claims on this and the price. The price tag. Okay, so it says, this 2-in-1 palette for light to medium skin tone lets you sculpt your features and warm up your skin all at once. Both powders are infused with hydrating hyaluronic acid to draw moisture to your skin and create a smooth, soft focus finish that's never cakey or chalky. Okay, we're gonna test it out, of course. I keep saying we're gonna test it out. We're gonna test out everything here. But I'm a little skeptical about this one. I'm a little skeptical, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. All right, so this is the last thing in the bag, and this is the Good Lighting Highlighter Duo. And this is from Complex Culture again. This is how these highlighters look. I'm going to swatch. Ooh, this one already feels better than the Laura Geller highlighter. Okay, yeah. This is how it looks. And honestly, guys, this reminds me of like Jouer packaging. Alright, so it says, get a naturally glowy, lit from within look with this luxuriously smooth and creamy powder highlighter. It goes on sheer with a wet shine finish that blends out for a perfect dewy effect. It's infused with Serenity? I don't know how to pronounce that. And hydrolyzed silk to keep your skin soft, smooth, and hydrated long after you take it off. Okay, so I added everything up for this month's IPSY bag, and the total is $99, which, okay. I mean, it's definitely less than Boxycharm, but I feel like it has cool stuff. You know, it had a little, you know, it had cooler stuff. We're gonna do one by one, okay? So this, I like it. I'm gonna keep using it. Good. I would use this again. The Ciaté London eyeshadow palette, definitely not my cup of tea. The shimmers are lacking, and there was something going on with every time I dipped into like a matte, the color underneath was darker than the one on top. I don't know if you look, you guys can tell, like, I dipped my brush into this shade and it turned darker. So I don't know, that kind of like threw me off. I don't know. Would I purchase this for $30? No. Next for Boxycharm is this Laura Geller High Definition Glow Illuminizer highlighter. It's alright. Would I purchase it for $33? No. The swatches weren't promising, but on the face, it's not that bad. So next is the Dr. Brandt Peptide Eye Cream. Not bad. That's something that I have to continue using in order to see the benefits and to see, you know, if it actually works. But $82, that's expensive. I don't know if I would ever repurchase, you know, because that's just a lot. I can't bring myself to, you know, purchasing something for $82. I don't know. I'm a little cheap like that, but you know, I don't know. So the next thing is the Bali Balm, which actually I like it. I feel like it did make my lips really soft, and I like the scent of it. But would I purchase this for $33? I don't think so. I don't think so, because, you know, I could use Blistex. You know. Now for IPSY, the lip oils I'm going to enjoy, because I that's something I really need. I'm not even trying to be funny, but my lips be chapped. So definitely gonna use those. I did like the highlighter. Yeah, I enjoyed the highlighter. The next thing is this Item Beauty bronzer contour duo. I was really skeptical about this, but on my skin it doesn't look bad. I thought it was gonna look like gray and stuff, but let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think it looks grayish on me? I don't think so. I think it looks pretty good. And then what else? I think this is the last thing, right? Yeah, this is the last thing. And for the concealer, I feel like I'm definitely going to be using it again. I like the way it felt on my skin, and I like the way it blended. The only thing is that I don't think this is my concealer shade. This is more like my foundation shade, you know? So I'll probably use this to spot conceal, and for days that I don't want to brighten my under eyes, because I tend to brighten my under eyes. That's why I'm saying that this is more like a foundation shade for me, because I like having a bright under eye. But right now this doesn't look that bad, so this is cool. And yeah, that completes, you know, me reviewing all the products that I got this month. As to what box did better, I'm just gonna say that I preferred my IPSY Glam bag this month. Boxycharm was cool and all, but I definitely liked my IPSY bag a little bit better this month. Actually, a lot better this month. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to press that notification bell so every time I upload you are notified. And don't forget that I am still having a giveaway when I reach 500 subscribers. I know it's been a minute, like I know I haven't been posting and stuff, but I have still been collecting stuff here and there, so I can put in the giveaway, so that way there's a lot more stuff in the giveaway. So yeah, I know I've been, you know, off my game, but just be patient with me. I have a couple goals. That I have to hit, you know. And but yeah, guys, I hope to see you in my next video. And yeah, bye. These birds, they want to say bye too.